If you are going to eastern part of India, I'm saying eastern part of India, in old days, that means during British rule, we were calling them as Bengal. It was part of Bengal province. But prior to that, certain states or certain region that was acquired from Myanmar. At that time, it was called as Brahmadesh. Britishers were not able to pronounce this complicated pronunciation as Brahmadesh. They started calling this as Burma. So we means Britishers acquired certain land from the Brahmadesh, or that is Burma, today's Myanmar at that time, and then that was annexed to Bengal territory. After freedom, this is all hilly area. In ancient period, we are calling them as hilly states, mountainous area or Parvatiya Kshetra. So like that. Various tribals were living over there. You are aware, we discussed certain laws. At that time, when missionaries were allowed to enter in India, it was with prior permission to director board of company, and at that time missionaries were allowed to enter in this territory. The conversion process started, and then the Nagabhumi, they demanded that our language should be English and we want separate state on basis of that. But now it is not called as Nagabhumi, it is called as Nagaland. So in 1963, the state of Nagaland was formed for the demand of Nagas, the name of tribe over that or people at that region. But prior to formation of full state, from 1961, the territory was under control of Governor of Assam only. However, in 63 they got a state, and now total number of states in India becomes 16.